Oh no, what happened?
This is an example of melt through on a CWB coupon. This happened to an individual on a test day, and this is what happened and how to make sure you prevent it going forward. These were the settings that this gentleman used for horizontal coupon, running it on metal core. So these settings are too hot, and the plate can't take the heat when you're welding with a 1/4 inch backer, 3/8 plate. Lower your voltage and your wire feed speed according to what you're welding. Move faster along the joint. Try not to hang out in one area too long because it will melt through, it will burn through eventually if you're running at sufficient heat settings. And adjust your angle.